Kenya Pipeline Company does not condone corruption. In the recent past, we've seen allegations in the media stating that Kenya Pipeline has lost 70 billion. As said today, that figure has moved to 95 billion Kenya shillings of taxpayers' money. We find these allegations quite inaccurate, astonishing, maliciously calculated to injure KPC as a responsive organization that is currently fulfilling its mandate to the Kenyan people. Our turnover in a year averages Kenya shillings 28 billion. So 95 billion shillings, we are talking about turnover of 4 years. Our average profit before tax for the last 10 years has been Kenya shillings 10 billion. So 95 billion shillings is 10 years of this company profit before tax. That means you don't pay any salaries, you don't pay any power bills. It's huge. As a company, we are open to public scrutiny, and we'll continue to partner with all the relevant government agencies in this endeavor, which is supporting our president's directive in curbing corruption in the country. We'll continue to provide all the information and documentation that will be required by all the stakeholders, including you, our members of the fourth estate. We are open, we are transparent, and we are ready to give every piece of information that you require.